Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience with us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel LegalB. LegalB is the exclusive law channel of iExamB. Here at LegalB, we provide you content for various exam preparation in the form of videos, strategic preparation videos as well for various examinations. If you are preparing for any competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, IBPS SO Law Officer examination and various other public sector undertaking examinations, do check out our online courses available on iExamB's website. इन कोर्सेज के आप डेमो एक्टिवेट करके भी देख सकते हैं. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, डू रीच आउट टू अस बाय राइटिंग अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexamb.com, कॉल अस ऑन 9205524028 एंड विजिट अ वेबसाइट. इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में भी आप हमें रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक करंट लीगल इशू पर बात करने वाली हूँ दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो, दैट इज रिलेटिंग टू द जुवेनाइल कार एक्सीडेंट केस ऑफ पुणे. This has become a very big talk of the show now because of the heinous offense that was committed by a juvenile. He is only 17 years, 8 months old. But is he to be deemed as a juvenile or tried as an adult? This is a very big question in front of the court, in front of the police, and in front of the public as well as the media. So this is very much in the news now. इस केस में बहुत ही लीनियंट व्यू कंसिडर करके जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड ने बेल दे दी थी जुवेनाइल को, बट नाउ करंटली द स्टेटस हैज चेंज्ड. द बेल दैट वाज ग्रांटेड टू हिम हैज बीन कैंसल्ड. So what were the reasons that this bail was cancelled, and now what is the next step? The legal provisions that we had observed in the previous video, I will be telling you the practical application of those provisions, which particular part of the section has been applied and the bail has been granted, all of which we are going to discuss in this particular video. पहले तो हम ये बात करेंगे कि इस हीनियस ऑफेंस को अंजाम दिया गया है लिकर कंज्यूम करके. So definitely this is not a thing which can be taken very leniently. On the spot they have died. Both of the victims have died on the spot, and that is a forever loss for the entire family. Juvenile Justice Board is completely a welfare legislation, but then there are some minute provisions that provide us some things which can be done in regard to the bail that was granted earlier. The bail was granted earlier to the juvenile very hastily within least lenient view that was taken. Within 15 hours it was granted, and the things like community service, writing an essay about the accident, and help to be sought regarding leaving all these addictions and driving was ordered to him. Voluntary work with the Pune Traffic Police, that is what is a type of punishment of community service. But we have to understand and we have to measure that in which case what kind of punishment has to be granted. This is a very, very important work which the judiciary has to do, and also the police officers play a very pivotal role as they have the investigation in their hands. So currently the police officer, the commissioner of police, all of them have taken this issue very much seriously, and they had moved a review petition on the same issue, and now the order has been rectified for the same. As the age of the minor was above 16 years, it is 17 years and 8 months, almost reaching 18 years. Lot of hue and cry was there by the public at large on this issue. Police filed a review petition, and as a result, the JJ board has rectified its order, cancelled the bail, and directed him to be sent to the observation home immediately. Juveniles are not sent to the normal jails. They are not kept in police custody. They are kept in special cells, in special care homes or observation homes, where they are under the custody of certain people who are designated as their temporary guardian for that time being. They are kept in observation. And this is under section 12 itself, जिसमें बेल ग्रांट की गई थी. उसी सेक्शन में अगर आप प्रोविजो क्लॉज देखेंगे, provided that such person shall not be so released if there appears reasonable grounds for believing that the release is likely to bring that person into association with any known criminal, expose the said person to any moral, physical, psychological danger, or the person's release would defeat the ends of justice. This phrase is very, very important. So the board shall record reasons for denying the bail and circumstances that led to such a decision. This should have been done earlier. That is what is the criticism that is there in the media and everywhere. So now the bail has been cancelled, and of course the reasons might have been recorded. We don't have the copy of the order, but this is what is the provisions which are applicable here in this case. When such person is not released on bail by the board, it shall make an order sending him to an observation home or a place of safety. That's why I have marked it in bold and I have underlined it. That is provision 12 clause 3 के हिसाब से जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड को पावर है that वो जुवेनाइल को ऑब्जर्वेशन होम में भेज सकते हैं. So currently the status of the minor is that he has been sent under the observation home, and also the preliminary assessment into heinous offences, which I had told you in my previous video as well. Now that has been come out in the news and everywhere you can find it out, that whether he has to be tried as an adult or not, that application of the police officer will also be checked by this preliminary assessment which has to be carried out. And for that, if the person is above 16 years, section 15 can be made applicable, which is being done in this case. But उसके लिए psychologically भी reports की ज़रूरत होती है. Psychologists, psycho-social workers, all these people, their help will be taken by the board. Their assistance will be taken by the board, and then the board will come to a conclusion that whether the person should be tried as an adult or not. If he has to be tried as an adult, then the provisions will be different and everything will take place quite different. And if he has to be tried as per the juvenile justice, as he is a juvenile only, then he will be tried as per the CRPC summary procedure. So this is all about the case current details. Now currently preliminary assessment process is going on. This we can understand looking at the JJ Act provisions, and also he is on bail as per section 12 and he has been sent in the observation home. Orders regarding child found to be conflict in law, section 18 deals with this. After preliminary assessment under section 15, the board is having the power to pass an order that there is a need for trial of the said child as an adult. So this is only possible when the preliminary assessment will be completed. तो अभी currently ये status है कि observation home में जाने के बाद preliminary assessment अभी initiate हो गया है. That will take some time. This was also commented by the advocate for the juvenile in the news also, that this will take some months time. But let us see what happens and how the progress is going on in this case. ये सारे legal provisions इस केस को बैकिंग दे रहे हैं. स्टेप बाय स्टेप द थिंग्स आर गोइंग ऑन एज पर दीज प्रोविजंस. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज, do reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Prepare 50% faster with us for competitive examinations at iExamBee. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the courses that are available. Full course access is there on our app as well. You can download the videos and the lessons, everything. You can watch them later in offline mode. Do check out. If you have any queries, reach out to us. Thank you, everybody.